be wondering, how do people get millions of views and thousands of subscribers on their first ever video? Well, they use a strategy. It is not luck. And today I will show you that strategy. So, if this works for you, if you don't mind, drop a subscribe on my channel. This really helps, and I hope I could help you even more. Now enjoy the video. First, I want you to scroll through the homepage, and let's take this video. How to make $1,000 per month in passive income part 1. So after searching through your homepage, you find this, and you go over to the next part of number 1. I'll see you there. So, idea farming. Let's say you want to make a video. Let's say you want to making $1,000 in a month. And would this be a long or short video? Let's say long. And is this an acceptable video for YouTube, So yes or no? I would say maybe. It depends. If you're clickbaiting, it's different. If you're being for real, then I would say, yeah, this is definitely a good video that you can post on your channel. Let's say you want to do saying hi. Oops, I suck at spelling. I am very sorry. Saying hi. Of course, this would be a short, and this would not be an acceptable video. And you could just go on. And I believe if I can, I don't know, I can tag this in the description of this video so you could work on it. Let me just undo all these check marks. And yeah, if you want to use this, you can. I'm sorry if you can't use it and I'm wrong. I have another step for you, and I will see you there. So, this is what we're going to work on. Dream outcome. A dream outcome means that you want 1,000 subscribers, or you want $10 million. They're dreams, right? And that's what we want to get as high as possible. Perceived likelihood of achievement speaks for itself. What is the likelihood of achieving this goal? Can it be done? Time delay is how long will the video take to film? And if it's worth it, go right to filming. Effort and sacrifice is how much effort are you putting into this video, and is there a sacrifice? We also want to get this as low as possible. But we don't want to make a low effort video. We still want effort. We just don't want this amount of effort. This is how it works. You can go to the website called thumbsup.tv. Just search up thumbs up and it will come up. You could see what your thumbnail looks like in YouTube. So let's just get the file for this video. Recommended. Don't worry about this unless if it makes your screen very thin or it's very wide. As you can see, this ain't so bad. This is how you can test if your thumbnail looks good. As you can see, this has a cool emoji that's like, oh my god, wow, you will get thousands of subscribers. Then in the background, it's showing, plus 1,000 subscribers. Then on the other side, it's saying that, you will get 1,500 subscribers. And down here it says subscribe. So as you can see, there's a lot of gratification. That's what you want. There is the home large, home small, And sidebar, channel page large, channel page small, history, watch later list, mobile, home full width, and enter your title if you want to see how it looks. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to say how to quickly gain 1,000 subscribers with minimal effort. How to quickly gain 1,000 subscribers with minimal effort. This has, first of all, the effort of it. This has the effort of the video. Minimal. That's one detail that is perfect for the title. How to quickly. Fast. Time. How to. This is telling you how to do it. And this is the goal, or as you could say, dream, to get 1,000 subscribers. So this has a lot of description in this short title. And this is what people will click on. Let's say your channel is right here. If I just scroll along and I didn't have 1,000 subscribers, I'd be like, oh, hey, how'd you get 1,000 subscribers? How to quickly gain 1,000 subscribers with minimal effort. I'm gonna click on this video, which I would do. I've actually done this before when I didn't have 1,000, and it did help me. I wanted to make my own now that I have more. Hope you guys get 1,000 subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, if you haven't already, can you subscribe to the channel? Thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. Next up is 3,000. Bye!